Now then, this was going to be a video about this Ginlong 6 kilowatt wind turbine grid inverter, but we've had a news flash. Now, you know when you meet people who seem very keen and they go, yeah, I'm going to do that, and then they actually do it and you're actually very surprised. And anyway, such is the case with Owen. Yeah, he's really just, if he says he's going to do it, he does it and he cracks on, and I'm heartily impressed. Yeah, he does washing machines and all sorts of things, and he's separated his practical repairing from his frivolous side. Two different YouTube channels now, which is, I think that's helpful. Anyway, he's built himself a solar carport. So we've been talking about, he's been talking to me about getting some solar panels, and a deal came up and he bought them, and I was really impressed that he just went right and he just went and did it. I think he bought 14 solar panels and a grid inverter and a few bits and pieces for what I consider to be quite a bargain price. So it's a big lump of equipment he's bought, yeah, but that's great. Anyway, he's put this solar carport up, so he's got somewhere to park his car undercover, and it produces power for the house, which is brilliant. So he did a video and it came up yesterday, and I thank him heartily for promoting wind and solar electricity. So the video about this and an Aurora wind grid inverter will be coming up later on, but I'll put the link now to Owen's YouTube channel, that's Boots Owen, and the video about his solar carport. Please go and look at it, you'll enjoy it. Catch up with you soon. Cheers for now.